So we're having a major thunderstorm when we just got back home. I had a late class and Chris was tutoring in the physics lounge, and when we got home the boy barked like he was scared, so I guess we're just chilling out with him until the storm is over. So they're in the bed, just playing, being puppies.
Being a puppy. Is that true? You're being a puppy. Oh, she. You being a puppy too?
The only one that seems to be bothered by the sound of the thunder is Kenta. The girls seem pretty much normal. And extremely energetic.
As always. So, what are you doing?
Hey, why are you kissing me?
Hey.
I love your kisses too. I love your kisses.
Just gonna lay down.
That's okay, buddy. His stomach is all tight. Super.
It's raining pretty hard. And you can see the lightning. Oh, she. So we'll just hang out with the puppies. See where the storm goes. Hey, baby. Oh, she. Hoshi, don't fall. Do you think they would play outside, even in the rain?
Yes, they would.
Lay down, all comfortable. Just laid out. What are you doing? You're looking outside. I'm gonna turn off the light and see what happens. We'll see what we can see out the window. Yeah. That's the ground. You can't see up in the sky unless lightning strikes. Yep, that's all lightning.